What is going on, Lunatic Fringe? We're going to talk about price action today. We're going to talk about Luna Classic and their partnership or agreement or whatever has Hexxagon offering money to the Repeg team. And we're going to talk about Eris Protocol, which is getting ready to launch. Remember, this is a liquidity staking platform that's going to be built or is built on the Luna Classic platform. So let's kick it off and let's get into it with price action. No real change in what's been happening in this dynamic. As you can see right here, we were predicting and kind of drawing lines to figure out what was getting ready to happen here. We're going to range in this area until we get to a breakout. That breakout should come. It's going to take a little while. At least that's what the chart would tell me. It's going to take a while. I don't see any movement in the 50-day SMA and the 200 SMA to cross them over and create any sort of enthusiasm. But it would be false enthusiasm at this point. The enthusiasm is going to come from the Repeg. That's the entire focus right now. So that's when we will see something giant start to happen. So let's be looking for that. In the meantime, a lot of range trading going on with a low of 56, high of, let's call it about 8 at best, which is, by the way, a big fluctuation in the price act as well. We can look at USTC and see generally the same thing into this falling wedge, really just kind of trending along the heart line at this point, looking for a break one way or another. You could say there's probably a mini wedge in between the descending wedge. So, we do, it's long term, by the way. Look, this has been a long term thing. But remember, for those of you that follow me for a length of time, remember what happened when the Dow Jones finally broke out and the SPY actually broke out and the NASDAQ actually broke out. Within a short period of time, we were looking at these breakouts and we were looking at all-time highs in the Dow in every indices. So fear not, there actually does appear to be the potential possibility of a significant move coming. Now, Terra Station is still down. No real update over here. We're not really getting some information that says that something is happening here, other than 2 days ago, we got the update that said that they had successfully frozen, but they're working on a full resolution. So it looks like they're just kind of waiting along. Station Wallet, we've made significant upgrades and changes to security and safety for the users. Please read the following thread for important information and links. This is basically just a little bit of information about your Station Wallet and the safety and security there. Trading volume down quite a bit. Of course, when you have no Terra Station or Terra.money, you're going to have at least a little bit of downward momentum and a little nervousness in the market. But generally speaking, down about 15%. Terra USTC down 49% in that same period of time. Not traded on as many. Not trade on as many centralized exchanges as Luna Classic, so the volume there is going to suffer when there's an issue there. But you can still trade on Binance, places like that. Mr. Diamond Hands points out here, breaking: Hexxagon has announced that they will donate $2,000 to the LUNC quant team after their USTC proposal was rejected at the last minute. They're also calling for unity and transparency within the Luna Classic community. So they're trusting in this team to get this done. And of course, everybody wants to argue about what's going on here, but here's the thing: they're wanting to help fund whatever's going on in this ecosystem to help the Repeg to try to get us back to parity between the two, USTC and Luna Classic, and that's not nothing. So if you are in support, go let Hexxagon know. Also, LFG is still holding 1.84 billion USTC and 222 million LUNC, and these USTC was supposed to airdrop to the victims, but this has never happened. Now, what is going on? Where is the LFG resolution? Why is this taking so long? What is going on here? Remember, this was the quote unquote scam that wasn't a scam, that was a scam, that wasn't a scam, that they were taking care of it, and it's not taken care of right now. So a lot of nervousness right there. So Eris Protocol, also the road to Eris 1.0 begins today. We're excited to unveil our first step for the launch of the Eris token. Learn all the details regarding the Eris claim drop, which is over here on Medium. So if you want to go check that out from Eris Protocol, then you can see right here, hold AMP token. and start earning Eris. There you go. That's basically the TLDR. So if you're super excited about this and you're looking forward to it, then there is liquidity staking here. So there you go. That's what we got for today. It's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again